What's almost everybody up here was one of the biggest things that they said? Write this in your notes. They're having fun. They're having fun. They're doing more stuff now than they were, okay? And they're getting more people in, and it's funner, okay? And the reason it's funner is you got lots of action going on. You always got less people complaining. Your attitude's always right. What's going on is always right in your mind. And it's a lot more fun, okay? If you're just sitting here idle month after month and you're not getting the deal going on, a couple of things happen, okay? And this is one thing you got to make sure that you understand. First of all, write this down. Work equals more money. Work equals more money. And I know in the kind of situations that some of us are in, that's not always true, okay? And this is one of the areas it's very serious for you guys to get the comprehension on, that when your check is going up, that's when you should still make certain that you're working and doing the things first line, because at some point, it's going to level off. When the check keeps going up and your people underneath you are going up and up and up and up, at some point, it has to level off. And remember this, every single year, you're gonna have so many people that drop out. Write that down. Every single year, you're going to have a certain amount of people that drop out. So here you are, you did all this business, now you got your people underneath you going up and up and up, your check's going up and up and up, you stop doing what you're supposed to be doing every month, you got people dropping out every single year, you got your people's people dropping out every single year, and you have to go flat at some point, or you're going to go down. That's the only couple of things that can happen if you keep out here month after month, year after year, doing nothing, okay? You got to, number one, earn the money that you get. Write that down. Then you got to work to keep the money that you get. And then if you want to make more, you got to work more to get more. This is a very simple concept. And I know sometimes people get, you know, they for some reason they just don't get it. Listen, when your people are coming up underneath you, yes, that check's going up, but at some point it's got to flatten out. And at some point, if everybody doesn't get on the boogie wagon, it starts going down. So if you don't want to have any of that happen, it's a lot more fun if you just keep doing it every single month. So much every single month. Your people do so much every month. This is way you can keep your check going up every single month. Now here's what's exciting about when your check's going up every single month. The people that you go show the business to, the percentages of people getting into the company, signing the application, becomes faster. Write that down. Your percentages always increase when you got momentum going on. If you're only out here and you're sponsoring 1 or 2 people a month, or 6 or 7 people a year, listen, the percentages of people going, wow, this is incredible, wow, this is unbelievable, let's get in, it's hot, let's go to the get team, are small. But when you're out here doing it all the time, and you start getting momentum, and it looks like everything's happening, and your check's going every month, okay, people say it's going, it's happening, it's clear, I need to sign up, I need to get in now, I need to go to get team. So your percentages, write this down, increase when you have momentum. Write that down. That means it's actually easier when you're working harder. Because after every training class that you guys go to, no matter how many we go to, and we can teach you every single kind of method that there is. Everything as far as the business is concerned, as far as making more money, except for the little promotions that we put in here to get people excited and they do more and all that stuff. When you come down to the basics of the business, everything's about ring, ring. Now, when I say ring, ring, that means something that you're doing to talk to people, okay? No matter what it is. We can talk about all the methods all day long, but everything is a percentage of everything. So it doesn't make any difference what you do. What's important is that you're clear on what you need to do. And what you need to do is talk to enough people every single day so you can get ring going on. Because if you got ring going on, you're going to talk to a certain amount of people that say yes, and a certain amount of people are going to join. And all you got to do is keep doing this ring, sponsor, supervisor, and that's all it is. Now, does it get boring sometimes? Yes. Can it be aggravating sometimes? No question about it. Okay? Can you get sick and tired of doing it over and over again? Sure. But it's kind of hard to get sick and tired of it when your check is going up every single month.